Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 4. Later that we do first derivative for the both side, and we have 4s to the power of 3 ds. Because we don't have number 4 in here, so we divide both sides by number 4. So this one we change by u. S to the power of 3 ds we change by this one. So the integration of sine u, we have negative cosine u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about s to the power of 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.